Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian English by Ranjita. I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well. So friends, today is the day 24 of 30 days English speaking challenge and I am very happy to see my progress and if you want to join, so join here. Okay, so yes friends, today I want to talk about my nation. So our nation name is India. Okay, so I want to talk about my nation India, and I want to elaborate. Okay, what I am thinking about my India. So I'm very proudly say I can proudly say India is a very beautiful place and a very beautiful country because here people we living all the people like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christian, and many more people living together, and we are living happily. So we can say that India is a very diversity means unity in diversity, we can say that. And yeah, I can say means I feel proud of my nation. So I can say I want to say that India is a very beautiful place, and I have seen many places in India. So I live in Chhattisgarh, but I have visited many places like Delhi, UP, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Jammu, Telangana, and Odisha, Maharashtra. I have places means I have visited many places, and I have seen many things there. Like in Delhi, I have seen Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Rajghat, Akshardham Temple. Okay, and I have seen UP. If I talk about UP, so I have seen Agra, and I have seen beautiful Taj Mahal. Okay, and if I talk about Uttarakhand, so Uttarakhand, I have seen Dehradun, Mysuri, and Rishikesh. I have seen Ganga Aarti. Okay, so it was a great experience, I could say, because if we see anything another thing, so we feel means we feel happy. Okay, so I have seen many places, and if I talk about Himachal, so I told in my previous video I have seen I visited Simla, Kullu Manali, Dharmsala, Dalhousie. I have seen. Okay, if I talk about Jammu, so I visited Vaishno Devi temple once, and I lived in Hyderabad for 5 years. So there also I have visited many places like Charminar, and many more places there I have seen. So okay, so if I talk about Odisha, so I have visited Jagannath temple, and if I talk about Maharashtra, so I have visited Nasik, means um, Sai Baba temple. Okay, so uh, in these places I have visited, and I feel very proud of their places because of their beauty, and not only their beauty and means their mountain, and people here is very simple and very supportive, I could say. And people we all together we living here, and we have many languages. Okay, we have many languages in India, but we have means we have many languages, many tradition and culture, but we are living together and we are living happily. So that is very important for the nation, and it made it very unique, I could say. Okay, while visiting that places I have seen many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna. In Chhattisgarh, Mahanadi, Indravati. I have seen many rivers, which is very beautiful. Even I have seen Himalaya. Okay, and it was a very great experience. I could say, and. In our nation we have many cultures and we have very tradition languages. Here people in Chhattisgarh we are talking in Hindi and Chhattisgarhi, okay, and Telangana they people talking Telugu. So we have many languages. And if I talk about cloth, so we wear many types of cloth according to their taste, okay. So all the things we have in our nation, so it made it very beautiful and very unique, I could say. Okay, so I want to say that my nation is very beautiful, means India is very beautiful, and we celebrate all the festival in a great way. Means every state has their own tradition, their own culture, and their own festival, and we celebrate all the festival all together, and we live happily. And I proud of myself. I am part of this nation and I am very grateful for this nation. So this is my elaboration for this for my country. And if you are learning English, so you have to describe your nation and you have to describe your whatever you want, you have to describe, then you will be fluent. And we will be fluent and we will learn all together. And if you didn't join my another previous video, so you can join here, and we will meet tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting me. And we will meet tomorrow of day 25. Till then, keep practicing, keep moving forward in your life. Bye bye.